Hello everyone! Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening kung anong oras man ninyo to mapapanood na video na to. So yun nga, nag-post na po yung NAPOLCOM and there will be another PNP entrance examination on October 19 if hindi po ako nagkakamali. So, nandito po yung mga kailangan nyong gawin at kailangan ninyong i-prepare na documents para kayo po ay makapag-take ng PNP entrance examination. So, eto na nga po, yung online registration for the PNP entrance examination na makakonduct or na ikakonduct on October 19, 2025 will start or will begin on August 18, 2025 at exactly 12 noon. At hanggang August 22 lamang po ito. So, if gusto nyo pong makapag-take, kailangan pong maaga kayo at talagang mauna kayo sa pag-register kasi paunahan po ito since limited lang po yung slot. So, unang nyong gagawin is, go to NAPOLCOM website. Ito na po yung website nila, yung www.napolcom.gov.ph. Click the NAPOLCOM online scheduling system link, fill out the required data and review the same. And kailangan nyo pong mag-upload ng, yung para sa civilian applicant, ito po yung magta-take ng PNP entrance examination. Ito yung kailangan nyo i-prepare upon registration, online registration. One valid government-issued ID with applicant's date of birth. It could be the national ID, passport, postal, driver's license, etc. As long as naka-indicate doon yung date of birth ninyo. Next is, receive a notice indicating the date of the on-site processing of his or her application at the regional office concerned that have the same screenshot or printed. So once na naka-receive kayo ng notice, you have to screenshot it, okay? Kasi kailangan niyo yung i-present once na mag-report na kayo sa regional office ng NAPOLCOM. So after that, kung may confirmed processing na kayo, schedule, so magpo-proceed or kailangan yung pumunta doon sa regional office from August 19 to September 19. So, ipaprocess nyo na yung application ninyo and mag-fill out na kayo ng examination application form. After that, ito yung mga kailangan nyong dalhin. Once na pupunta na kayo sa regional office ng NAPOLCOM. Yan ha, yan sa baba. For PNP entrance exam or yung mga sa civilian, notice generated after registering online. So again, once na may mag-appear na notice, you have to screenshot it kasi ipresent nyo yan for the processing doon na sa NAPOLCOM office. Next is two colored recent passport size photo in white shirt and white background with name tag. Ito yung format nung pangalan mo sa picture. First name, middle name, and last name. So, for example, Esther Ruth M. Castillo or Esther Ruth Mapalad Castillo. Next is, one valid government-issued ID with applicant's date of birth. Again, yung ID dapat naka-indicate doon yung date of birth ninyo. Photocopy or present the original or certified Xerox copy of any of the following. So, isa lang. Any of the following. Pwedeng TOR or transcript of records. Pwede yung diploma ninyo or certificate of graduation. No need na dalawa yung present nyo. Again, any of the following. So, pwedeng isa lang. Next is, one legal size window envelope with mailing stamp, okay? So, the worth of mailing stamp will be determined by the regional office based on the ordinary mail services rate of PhilPost and exam fee, which is 400 pesos. So, yun po yung mga kailangan ninyong i-prepare at kailangan ninyong dalhin once na magpa-process na kayo para makapag-take kayo ng NAPOLCOM PNP entrance examination. So, habang may oras pa, prepare na kayo and of course, mag-start na rin kayong mag-review kasi hindi madali yung NAPOLCOM entrance or PNP entrance examination. Though hindi ako nakapag-take noon kasi board passer naman ako, though hindi ako nakapag-take noon, I know some na nag-take and they really said na mahirap siya. Pero of course, with preparation and if talagang nagsumikap naman talaga din kayo para makapasa kayo, well, kayang-kaya nyo yan. So, kung wala pa kayong eligibility or nag-graduate kayo sa isang non-board program pero gustong-gusto nyong makapasok sa PNP, this is your chance, okay? So, good luck and God bless. Bye!